Plim, plim, plim. And number 5. Takes a little. Takes a little. Takes a little. Really? There we go. There we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. So, technically... I would think this would be good for longer because it's a smoker. But is it, is the question. Finnick wasn't available, so I ended up with this. Yeah, I mean, it's still easy enough to figure out, right? Did you get the balls? No, I did not get the balls. I didn't know which tool I need to cut them up with. I think I hit them with the pickaxe because my... No, yeah, with the pickaxe because my regular axe broke. So there's that. There's that. What am I doing? I want to craft more things. Your cooking skill goes up if you are close to smoker. Oh, good that I was standing there for the whole 5 items. Loaf stir. Ladies and gentlemen, we're honored tonight to have the one and only king in the house. King Loaster, welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. Big Bear, hello there. Under the Bridge production, I see all the usual suspects coming over here. How you guys doing? Thank you for the raid. Thank you so much. What did you play? Let's see. King Loaster. Cuphead. You guys like to torture yourselves, do you? You guys like to torture yourselves. Well, welcome in, everybody. We're playing, what is it called again? Stranded Deep today. For the first time with the new graphics card. Everything in Ultra, and I'm really happy and excited. And you can be part of this for only $4.99 a month. Subscribe now. No, just kidding. It's all free. I'm a sucker for pain. Hey, I couldn't do it. I watch Moody do it and I'm like, what? Hilarious being awesome. Hey, thank you for that achievement. And it's working. I think the new computer really fixed, like the new graphics card really fixed all those issues that I had. But I appreciate the achievement. Thank you very much, Bridge. How are you guys doing? Ah, new people. Wait, how was your guys' Christmas? What you do over Christmas? What you get over Christmas? That's the question. And thank you for the follow, official underlying. You're not by any chance known, or like you don't know official Beanie, do you? Yeet. But thank you for the follow and welcome in. I appreciate it. Christmas was good. Got a Goku Funu pop. Ooh. Wait, is that correct? Like, get raided by some toast. That's also a good achievement. So like Son Goku from Dragon Ball, like those kind of figures. That's awesome. A Funko. What's I don't know what a Funko is. Oh no, my plant dyed it. Or did it? Maybe not. Maybe it's supposed to look like this. We don't know around here. We just, you know, do what looks semi-right. The Funko Pop figures. Didn't mean caps. Why are you yelling at me? No, it's all good. I think I know which one you guys mean. And, yeah, they're cool. Dragon Ball Z fan. Awesome. I went through the whole Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z, every episode in order, but I never finished Z. I'm like in the last 5 episodes, and the last fight is just dragging and dragging over so many episodes. It's like 3 episodes of charging up an attack, it just so that it, you know, gets blocked or something. It was exhausting at some point. Yeah, I need to upgrade soon. Christmas was great. That's awesome. It's Dragon Ball. They got to charge for 25 episodes, dude. Exactly. But it's just like, oh, I want the fight to end. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. Yeah, one day I will finish it. One day I will finish the last I don't know, 5-ish episodes, and then life's gonna be great. I got distracted now. You know what? I'm not gonna grab this. This game is chaos. If you guys like clean gameplay, this is chaos, because you just basically throw your stuff everywhere because your inventory is constantly overfilled. But if you like tidiness and cleaned up gameplay, don't play or watch Stranded Deep. It ain't not good for you. Does this mean he hasn't watched the Tournament of Power, or is he talking about the last 5 episodes of Super? Nope, I have watched Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z, and the plan was, that was at the time when Dragon Ball GT came out, the plan was to catch up, finish all of them, and then watch Dragon Ball GT. And now I need to watch GT and Super. And don't tell me I don't need to watch GT because it's stupid, because everyone says that. But I want to watch them all of them. I had piles everywhere. Yep, it's awful. The only one I haven't watched is Super. I still, one day, ooh, burp. One day I'm gonna find the time and watch it. Hunting level up. That's nice. That is nice. Sunstroke. Let me grab my aloe vera and eat it. There we go. We're all good. GT isn't canon, but definitely worth watching all of them. Exactly, that's the plan. I did that with Star Trek Voyager once. In 2 weeks, I watched the whole show. I think over 8,000 minutes of material. I watched it all. And now I'm like, done. I watched it. I know it. Chapter closed. Now I just, I watched TOS, the original Star Trek. I still need to watch The Next Generation completely. And then I'm slowly getting there to have them all watched. Everyone hates and on another not canon. What? Everyone hates on anything not canon. I should read correctly. That should help. Guys, there's also, this is my air carrier, just parked there, a little outside, Let me give you the tour. This is my air carrier, picking me up tomorrow. This is the Casa del Palarius, beautiful as you see, with scrap metal and wood. Full AC all around, windows to the north with ocean view. To the east with, actually that's the west, to the west with ocean view, to the south with ocean view, and obviously to the east with a little bit of beach and ocean view. Other than that, we do have a beautifully looking and bright yellow raft that is very inflated, and well, I like to call this the Garden of Terror because it is ridiculous. Other than that, we have accomplished nothing in this game, and I'm very proud of that. Raft is fun. Did you play Raft if you enjoy this game? Actually, we played Raft on the 24-hour stream, I think for an hour or so. And then I played it on another person's 24-hour stream. And that's actually the same person that played it on the 24-hour stream with me, so basically I came back. I played it like 3 hours maybe, but it's a lot of fun. Yeah, I agree with that. I like it. I think I like this one more because it looks nicer. Not necessarily a fan of the cartoony style of Raft, but I definitely like the realism of this beautiful floating cloth. Can't beat that. Raft is a really good game whenever you're playing with other people. Yeah, I think like 2 and up, more than 2 people. It's a lot of fun to play. This looks like a cleaner Ark. That's, yeah. I mean, maybe. I'm not a big Ark fan, so I haven't played it a lot. Last time I played it was with my old graphics card. And that was like 14 FPS. Horrible. I'm not a big Ark fan either. Yeah. I don't know. Like the whole... I don't know. The dinosaur thing and everything. The weird, like, structured thingies. Collecting poop all day long. What's with that? Why is everyone collecting poop in there? I don't know. Raft is a really good game. Oh, I just read that. I'm sorry. I'm a little behind. I'm a little slow. Donkey Slept 95. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. 95. A little younger than me. If that is the year. Maybe you're also born on the 9th of... what is that? May. Who knows? Or the 5th of September. We will never know. Unless you're telling us. But welcome in. Hope you enjoy the content. Look, this looks so nice. Like just like the shadows. Sun shafts. Beautiful game. And I really want to go to this area. You know what? I saved. Should we just try to go there? Maybe drink something? You know what? I'm just gonna go. Bye. I'm just gonna go there. Yeah. Yeah. This is totally how you handle rafts. You drag them over rocks because, you know, that's what they like the most. Inflatable, easy to damage rafts. Yeah, please drag them over spiky rocks. They love that. Okay, everyone on board? Looks like it. Let's go. We gotta figure out what the heck that thing is over there. Okay, operate. Making... Oh, great, it's getting dark. Perfect timing to leave the island. We got this, guys. We got this. April 18th, 1995. So you were right the first time. April, me as well. I'm on April 1st, so welcome in, Donkey. Thank you for... what am I doing? Thank you for saving me from a sleepless night of not knowing what is the right number. And welcome in again. I appreciate it. How far could that possibly be? I mean, it's a little in the distant fog, but how long could that take? 12 hours later. No, we're getting there. I say we might get there by the time it gets light again. Not gonna lie, I think it might take a little bit. Anytime. You did a good deed today, you know. You made sure that I'm gonna sleep. By the way, it's getting late. I didn't even realize that. But how could I stop without knowing what this is? We're gonna go there and just hope we don't starve. Ooh, what if we can build a base on that thing? Wouldn't that be amazing? I'm so curious. I wanna know. Straight line. Straight line. I'm gonna enjoy myself a cookie while we go places. I'm not telling what it is. You know what it is, right, Wicked? Oh, you know what it is. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I wanna go there and be surprised or disappointed. Who knows? It definitely looks like a freaking air carrier. Paddle. Paddle. Is that a gigantic hole in the front? Or is that a gigantic graffiti in the front? What is this? Wait, it's sitting on an... Is it sitting on a rock? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a stranded boat. That's what it is. Mm-hmm. Is that a cookie? Yes, it is. Wow. You do have to go there? Oh, I should have brought all my crates. Dumbass me. Wow. Stay straight. Man without a hat, stay straight. Okay, this looks pretty interesting. And we're getting there quicker than I expected. Jump is, it is a cookie, and it is a fantastic cookie, for that matter. And how do you even strand a ship like this? I hope that guy lost his job. Do 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 do. Wait, so are they enemies? We have not seen another human being. And the music is not very promising. I don't like that. If I see a light or movement, I'm gonna go straight back. Hello! Okay, now the music is actually nice. Anyone there? I got my duct tape. We're gonna make this thing float again. I'm never gonna find back to my island, by the way. And this is way too small for an air carrier. It's just a big old ship. Is there a light up there? Or is that the stars in the background? I don't know. But we made it, guys. Ah, we made it. Now we shall explore. Wait. Oh, that's a big old crab there. That one's gonna attack me. There's barrels. Hello. Okay. We're there, guys. I think this is our island. This there. We are there. When you go to island, don't bring your inventory. Pull off crates if you expect to find crates. Wait, what? I don't know what to expect. But I do know I took all my inventory because I'm really smart. Shoot. Okay, we need to eat anyway. Might as well throw that in. And I'm just gonna... Oh man, we have all of this with us. I'm so stupid. Okay. I don't want to lose this. That was not very smart of me. We do have more food. I don't know what to do. Okay. Do this. Hello? There's a crate. Which, that's a good start. I'm gonna put all of this in there. I can guarantee it. And then just throwing that crate in my pocket. Oh, wait. This might have actually been an air carrier. It's just literally ripped in half. Okay. Well, that changes the whole situation then. Should have brought one of those famous flashlights that I found. That would have helped. Or we could wait till daytime. Also... Oh! I want to say... any mispronunciation is not intended. My wife always tells me I say flashlight and flashlight wrong. I mean the one that lights up. Well, that's still not very clear. I mean the one that's supposed to make light. Was just going to say flashlight. See, I'm not a native English speaker, so it ain't not on purpose. It's an accident. Driftwood. What am I doing with that? I'm hitting it. What is that gonna give me? If sticks, well, that's nice. That's what I need. Do we make it through the night? Oh, not even half. Darn it. What am I doing now? I'm getting thirsty. Is it worth it to go in there without a light? Like, I mean, it's so bright with the streaming lights. I can literally not see anything during the night. And I know you. I'm not gonna walk over you again. I doubt I have what it takes to make a shelter. I do have this. I would have sticks here. If I can find four palm fronds, tree thingies, I might be able to make a shelter here. But this island does not look like it does have palm trees. Also, there's a big old crab there. So much for that. Okay. What is this over there? Is there more driftwood? I think so. Okay, I think... damn water. I think we're gonna sit it out. So if you guys have anything interesting to talk about... No trees? Yeah, I realize. If you have anything interesting to talk about, now is your chance. Tell me. Tell me everything. We gotta get through, well, a little more night. Half of it, probably. Even if at night, this game looks so nice. Even at night. Yep, that's driftwood. Did I see the Star of Bethlehem? In the game? I doubt it. Wait, what? That big old one? That big old one? Or another big old one? I doubt I saw it. I see a lot of dust on my screen, which actually looks like stars when I'm not moving. That's ironic. In real life? Oh. No. I don't think so. Did you? Did you tell me where you're from? I don't, like, you know, I don't want to force anybody to tell me, but I'm always curious where people are from. That's a bright moon. Ooh, and it's getting warm. Really, really warm. Was the first time to see it in 800 years. Holy cow. You're from the US. Ah, I see. A fellow American friend. Wait, what? Oh geez, Wicked and TTV, well, I guess Twitch TV, Alex, Hasp, Albania. You guys have the same color for me, so I was like, wait, why do you say US and then Albania? Albania? But interesting. You might be the first one from, and I might butcher it again, Albania, to be here. Thank you for the follow, by the way, and welcome in. Welcome watching me watching the moon. Because I'm a scary cat. I don't have no torch to see anything inside. Actually, could we make a torch? Fair point. Ooh, wait. Do we have clothes? Nope. Nope, no clothes. But yeah, we're just waiting. Waiting for the moon to go away. Those nights take forever. Holy cow. I thought this was gonna go quicker. And then we're gonna explore whatever this... Uh-oh. This is, unfortunately, I don't know the name in English. But this is first generation Pokemon. I only know the German Pokemon names, unfortunately, because I was too young to play this in English, or collect it in English. But I know, like, the first evolution form of this is called Parasite in German. Oh, is it just called Crab? Really? But it looks exactly like it, right? Like the same color, the same, like, big old thing. I think crab looked more like a mushroom, maybe, than an actual crab. Krabby. Yes, that's the German name. Wait, are you German? I think that's the German name for it. Krabby. Ah, the good old times. Listen, guys, fight me on that, but the first generation was the real Pokemon generation. The first 52, sorry. How do you kill that crap? I don't. But I assume having bow and arrow would be very smart. I don't know how strong it is. I'm at full health, right? Kawabanga! Oh yeah, no, that sounds like a very stupid idea. I don't think I did any damage. He didn't do a lot of damage either, though. Where you going, buddy? Nope, it ain't not gonna happen. I want to see him. I don't trust him. I want to see you. First gen is the best. And I'm American, really. Do you just know the German name, or am I throwing everything completely in the wrong category? BRB, Wicca, take your time. No worries. I appreciate you letting me know. I thought it's German for crabby. Sounds so German too, to be honest. Oh man. Also, wait a second. Why do I have so long arms? My arms are not going to my knees if they hang down. What is wrong with this guy? Go get the sticks and make a spear. Ooh. Good point. He's there. Which means I'm not. I'm gonna go. I'm pretty sure that's the English one. Huh. Yeah, I might just throw everything completely in one pot and forgot it. Wouldn't be surprised if that's the case. Okay, let's see. A spear. Spear. Hey, we got a spear. Can we improve that spear? To improved spear, we would need one rock, which, funny enough, I dropped the ball right here. Wait, oh, these are barrels. Actually, I dropped those rocks. Nonetheless, I'm gonna make this. Whoopsie daisy. And we're gonna... No. Ooh, that was close. I'm actually wrong. Wait, where's the... Am I stupid? There. Oh, leather. Leather. We don't have no leather. I have a few of them. What, Pokemon cards? I'm kind of losing track of conversations. You have a few Pokemon cards? Man, I'm kind of I'm kind of regretting I lost all of mine. Or not lost, but I sold all of mine. Just like I sold so many things that I should not. Like my GameCube. Oh, I can get him from here. Come back, you little... Come back, you little thingy. Yeah, but I got a few crabby ones, really. Oh, he's coming back. Charging up. That looked so bad. I'm so sorry. Holy cow. Screw this. What am I gonna get from him? Just meat?
Oh, gross.
Ah, just meat. Well, that's kind of... Okay, finally the moon's going down. It is kind of disappointing to kill him just for that. I mean, that's some good meat, I'm not gonna lie. But we have meat. Well, drinking is more of an issue. Isn't it? Let me carry my own coffin. Be back soon. Gotta go get dinner. Yeah, do you enjoy your dinner? Absolutely. That's not what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, that's looking good. And the sun should rise anytime now. Which is good as well. Should I take this with me? No. No. Because it's full anyway. It's full anyway. Do. Just like my inventory. Cooked meat, cooked meat. I don't know why those are separated. Now they're not. Okay, cool. Cool. There goes the moon. There goes the moon. There goes the moon. Doop. Time for one last cookie. And then we're gonna tackle the ship. Ah, there's light. Beautiful morning sunlight. Bye, moon. Bye, sun. Look at this. This looks so great. Holy cow. Screenshot this, make it a wallpaper. Looks fantastic. Alright. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. I can actually... Oh my god, this is huge. I can actually see things. Well, thank god we waited till daytime. Well, trash, I mean, it's very linear so far. Which I appreciate. The less entrances there are, the less I can be attacked from behind. That's always very, very good. One cannot go through there. One cannot turn valves. Oh boy. Oh boy. We are getting somewhere. Okay. This is just some trash. That's all good. Don't know why the sun is shining through the wall here, but okay. Before I open this, I'm gonna look. I don't think I can go through here. Ooh, but we're all up on top. Whoa! What? No. No. What? Gyrocopter part? Water? Oh, it needs water. Holy cow. We can... Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuel. Rudder pedal. Oh my god. There's a little rubber duck. Oh. This is awesome. Holy cow, this is awesome. I had no clue, Wicked. I had no clue that this is gonna... I'm completely stupid. I said over and over, this is an air carrier. And yet it didn't occur to me, well, it might have a plane. Food. I'm confused. Ah, why does it say food? Okay, so we need to bring stuff here. That is the conclusion. Repair the plane engine, repair plane propeller, repair plane cockpit, stock food, stock water, stock fuel. Very, very interesting. That's endgame, I see. And that's very close to our actual island. Or, wait, that's not our island. Our island, oh jeez. I think that is our island there. No, wait. We see the front of the ship. Our island has got to be this one. I hope. Well, we might find out. We might not. Maybe we will never find back home. That is pretty cool. Yeah, obviously, like, how would you escape with a plane? Makes sense to me. I just did not think about it at all. Do the repairs first. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see, this is why I found this menu earlier, right? No, that's trophies. Is 12 days survive, is that it? Gyroscope seat. Gyrocopter seat, sorry, gyrocopter base. Gyrocopter cockpit. Gyrocopter motor, and we have... Okay, we can already make the motor. We can already make the rotors. We can already make the cockpit. We can already make the seats. 1, 2. We can already make the whole plane. Interesting. Engine. This. Huh. I just need to learn how to do fuel, like the fuel thingy we need to learn. That's so cool. Oh man, now I want to continue and get it all done. Okay. Well, back we go. Wow. Wouldn't it be ironic if I run into like some sort of enemy now while running out? Totally ironic and so funny. Haha. Can't stop laughing. I put food and water in there, and when I came back it was gone, so I had to go and get stuff again. Oh man, that's... Wait, where's... Oh jeez, I was like, where's my raft? That's good to know. That would really suck. Well, we got the cool gyrocopter parts now. I'm gonna grab this. I would love to get the barrels, I just don't know. How do I get barrels? Ah! Ah! Well, I can still not get them. See, this is what I don't understand. Crafting menu tells me I need barrels for things. For example, for this, I need barrel scrape. Oh. Oh. Gotcha. Okay. I always forget I can just do this. And the game is perfectly fine with it. We're gonna put 2 in, and if 1 makes it to the base, we call it a win. Nice in the middle so you guys are not falling out. There we go. Looking good. Behave. Yeah. That is 1.
That doesn't look good.
Damn it, I walked in it again. I'm so dumb. That is 1 low raft. But hey, if it works, it works. Okay, let's see. This is the front. Which means our island gotta be like this one. Hopefully. Operate. Wait, this is the front. I cannot see the island anymore. I think that one. Okay. I'm just gonna go for it. I think I might be stuck. No, we're getting there. Slowly but steady. Get them with the raft. Yep. Yeah, I figure. We just need to get into the deep water. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, buddy. Oh, we gotta be free by now. Come on. How low can this raft go? Really? Or is it just slow because it's so heavy? Okay, this is gonna take forever. Barrel overboard. How about we just take 1? Yeah, that seems to be a little quicker. Ooh. Poison. That's the poison. That's what the potion is for. If you don't stop, you will die. Wait, what? I have walked in this one before, and it just took forever, and then I, like, recovered. Really? Well, I have everything there to make an antidote, so I will do that. Oh god, the seasickness is real. Once I get to the island there, if I ever get to that island, I will make an antidote, for sure. Holy, oh man. This is like steering a car on ice. Okay, straight. I just want to make it before darkness. That's all I care. Do. Me and my barrel. My barrel's amazing. A
few moments later.
That was very fitting. More like an eternity later, but yeah. Sell Rick. Here for. I mean, that's what I call timing. Lurking in the dark and then just in the right moment, slapping me with that sound alert. Am I still going in the right direction? I'm just aiming for the island with no trees, because that sounds like my island. Ugh, come on. Stay in line. How's it going, though? Selric? Am I seeing that right? I hope so. How are you doing? To the left, to the left. My arm looks horrific. I see how this could become a problem. Oh, oh, Jesus Christ. That's right, I'm good, man. Hey, I'm glad to hear. I didn't butcher your name. Today's a win. Oh no, please. Is it raining? No. Oh, God. How does one not get seasick? I mean, I can withstand a lot, but this is... Okay, okay. Yep, it's definitely raining. We're so screwed if there's gonna be a thunderstorm. Oh boy. Oh boy, and this kids is why we have an oh boy emote. Because I realized I screwed up. Come on. Come on. Are those waves getting higher? I can't tell. Left. Left. We can make it. We can make it. The good thing is, that's definitely our island. The bad thing is, I think this is gonna be a thunderstorm. And I am legit getting seasick. Holy cow. I'm so glad the monitor stays still, because... No! Left. Because there will be a lot of movement right now. Oh, Jesus Christ. Go after the balls and make a raft that's faster to get around. That is probably a good idea. I just happen to know where I get a lot of balls. Wait, what? That sounds wrong. Oh, shark. Hi, Sharky. I'm not doing anything, so you're not doing anything. Raft MHL Type E. What does that say? Some random numbers, I can't even tell. The beauty of this game is just rafting and rafting and rafting and rafting. Also, this music is very foreshadowing, even though... Oh no, rock ahead, rock ahead. I evaded that like a pro. And we're stuck. Okay, well, we made it. Let's hope this all... Come here, you dumbass raft. Wait, is that our island? Oh, wait, we came from the other side? I'm confused. There we go. Don't go away! Come back! Beautiful. Good old paper barrel. Easy to throw, even easier to destroy. Beautiful. Barrel scrape. Well, son. Mickey, welcome in. Well, son. Indeed, the barrel is my Wilson. How you doing, Mickey? How was Christmas? Bah. Dragging that whole thing over the entire island. Nice. Getting stuck in the island. Nice. There we go. Oh, geez. No, that's totally not poking a hole. Everything's good. Wait, what? What just happened? Okay, good enough. Good enough. Christmas was good. I'm happy to hear that. Do you get some family time? Look, I have all these things. Fantastic things. Wilson, come with me. Wilson, you will not like to hear this, but you need to be well used for something. The question is what you're going to be used for. You're going to be used for raft. We're going to need a lot of you. 3. Or we use the boys. I tend to use the boys. But first, burp. We have this. Oh, that was some bad meat, right there. Okay, that looks good. I guess the meat is bad. You might be able... Plop. Plop. To tell by the flies. I did indeed get some family time and a sweet, sweet Disney Plus subscription. Ooh, Mickey. Look at you. Living the fancy life. Nice. Well, congrats to that. And I hope you can enjoy it. That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, let's see. Le plane. Yeah, I think we have literally everything. Oh, we need level 6 in what is this? In building? No, in vehicles. How do I do that? I don't even know. Is that level 6 in crafting? Because we are level 5 and 127th. Is this game multiplayer? Snowy. I don't think so, Mickey. Actually, it is. It does have co-op mode, which we just today figured out by installing it. Also, thank you for the follow and welcome in. So apparently you can do co-op with one person, which that sounds like a pretty fun experience. What did I want to do again? I remember. I wanted to grab this and my actual version of Wilson. Then I wanted to make this weird antidote to make sure we're actually not dying. There we go. Antidote has been stored in the backpack. That helped, but also that is literally consuming the flask. Come on, game. Thank you. Hey, no problem, Snowy. No problem. We just got the game today. For those of you who like the game, who don't have it, it's free on Epic today. Be quick, go get it. Played this game in 2014, haven't played it since. Yeah, I think I looked into the game very early on when it was still alpha. So it's been a long time. It's been a long time. I remember the good old days when you could fly with a shark and yell, "I found a bug." I didn't know you could do that. Interesting. Did you plant pee-pee? No, I think I didn't yet. No, my cat is still above ground. Thank you for the epic game knowledge. I will buy. Yes, do it. It's free. Actually, there's like a game free every single day since I think like 15 days before Christmas or something. It's insane. If I buy it, will it stay on my account? Yep, it's one time free. It stays. Epic is insane. They're giving a game every single day for free during Christmas time. And every single week, they give one during regular year time. I think, bought 2 games on Epic, and I already have over 50 games in my library. And those are good games, like World War Z, Borderlands 2 is in there, For Honor is in there. Let's not lie. Hang on. Let's do this. Let me not lie. Let me give you a little something about what I got. It's fantastic. Free account, go get it. It's awesome. Every time someone comes in and doesn't know the game, hang on.